This is right. دا صحیح دی. This is right. Or it is right. دا صحیح دی. It is right. I am not your servant. زستا نوکر نیم. I am not your servant. I know everything. ما ته ټوله پته ده. I know everything. Is something going on there? آیا دغلته څه روان دي؟ Is something going on there? What is that? دغه څه دی؟ What is that? She has got on my heart and soul. هغه زما په زړه او دماغ پرته ده. She has got on my heart and soul. I don't believe. زه یقین نکوم. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ زما یقین نراځي. I don't believe. Money has gotten to his mind. روپۍ د هغه په دماغ خاوي ده. Money has gotten to his mind. What happened? څه چل وشو. What happened? This is not a thoroughfare. دا عام لاره نه ده. This is not a thoroughfare. What is happening? څه روان دي. What is happening? It is in talk. دا په چرچه کې دی. It is in talk. Got it. پوه شوي. Got it. He is a notorious person. هغه یو بدنام سړی دی. He is a notorious person. I will try. زه به هڅه وکم. هڅه یعنی کوشش. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ زه به کوشش وکم. I will try. The road has been closed for repairs. سړک د مرمت د وجې بند شوی دی. The road has been closed for repairs. I am trying. زه هڅه کوم. I am trying. The mobile was with him for repairs. موبایل د مرمت د پاره هغه سره وو. The mobile was with him for repairs. Did you try? آیا تا هڅه وکړه. Did you try? Or did you try? آیا تا کوشش وکړو. This is a rumor. دا ډنډوره ده. ډنډوره یعنی افوا. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ دا افوا ده. This is a rumor. He is taking a bath. هغه لامبي. He is taking a bath. I was shouting at the top of my voice. ما په زوره سره چغې وهلې. I was shouting at the top of my voice. I am going to the market. زه بازار ته روان یم. I am going to the market. This pen is selling like hot cake. دا پین ډیر خرڅیږي. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ دا پین لکه د ګرم کیک خرڅیږي. This pen is selling like hot cake. What's going on? څه حساب دی. What's going on? یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ څه صورت حال دی. what is the matter څه مسله ده what is the matter are you on the right آیا ته ښي طرف ته یې are you on the right what are you doing ته څه کوې what are you doing are you wrong آیا ته په غلطه یې are you wrong what are you thinking ته څه سوچ کوې what are you thinking are you in your senses په هوش کې یې کو are you in your senses what are you looking for ته څه ګورې what are you looking for are you scared of me آیا ته زما نه یریږې are you scared of me he is not reliable هغه د باور لایق نه دی he is not reliable am I not your friend آیا زه ستا ملګری نه یم am I not your friend you are not reliable ته د باور لایق نه یې you are not reliable what is my fault in it په دې کې زما څه قصور دی what is my fault in it he is about to reach in an hour or so هغه په یو 2 غنټو کې رسیدو واله دی he is about to reach in an hour or so what is your fault in it په دې کې ستا څه قصور دی what is your fault in it don't be shy شرمیږه ما don't be shy I am in a fix زه په ستونزه کې یم ستونزه یعنی مسله یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ زه په مسلې کې یم I am in a fix come with me ما سره راځه come with me we are quite penniless مونږ سره یو پیسه هم نشته we are quite penniless don't lie دروغ مه وایه don't lie he is very talkative هغه ډیر خبرلوس دی he is very talkative don't be over smart ډیر چالاک مه جوړیږه don't be over smart we are not late for the party په موږ د پارټۍ نه وخته شوی نه دی we are not late for the party come to the point د کار خبره کوه یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ د کار خبرې له راشه come to the point there is no check on his tongue د هغه خپله خوله په واک کې نه ده there is no check on his tongue don't make a noise شور مه کوه don't make a noise he was in a good mood هغه په ښه طبیعت کې و he was in a good mood don't fight جګړه مه کوه don't fight that was a good excuse هغه یو ښه بهانه وه that was a good excuse is someone there آیا دغلته څوک شته is someone there he was absent yesterday هغه پرون غیر حاضر و he was absent yesterday. When did you come? ته کله راغلی؟ When did you come? She was combing her hair. هغې خپل ویښته منګزول. She was combing her hair. What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? She was a very emotional girl. هغه ډیره جذباتي جینۍ وه. She was a very emotional girl. She looks like you. هغه ستا په شان ښکاري. She looks like you. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.